Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 17 of Power BI DAX function series. Previously, we have discussed about 16 different Power BI DAX functions. If you have missed to watch our videos, we have provided the playlist link in description box. Please do watch. And today in this video, we are going to see an exciting DAX function, which is ACOS of Power BI DAX. Before jumping into video, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And we kindly request you to share your valuable feedback in the comment box so that it will be useful for us to improve our videos in upcoming days. Let's start with today's video. So I'm going to create a new measure and I'm just going to name it as ACOS underscore is equal to ACOS. Click and tab key, so you will get to know why this is, what is the useful of this ACOS function. This mentions that returns a cosine or inverse cosine of a number. The cosine is an angle whose cosine is a number. The returned angle is given in radians in the range of 0 to pi. So ideally it means that it is a inverse of cosine theta, mean like cos theta or cos value which we are going to create. Okay, and we have to give only the numbers. So what I'm going to give is I'm going to give the number of minus 0.9 as a number, and also it says we can use the pi value, right? So 1 to 1 means like obviously 180 angle. So I'm going to multiply it with 180 and divide it with pi function. So pi function is already available. Hit tab and hit on enter. So our ACOS measure is getting created. It's created now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just entering a card function, card visual, and I'm going to get the value over here. You can see I got the value of 154.546. So this is the ACOSine value of this particular value which you are given. So if you want to edit the numbers, you can give. I'm instead of 0.59, I'm going to give 0.5, and I'm hitting enter. So you can see the values change to 120. So this is how the ACOSine function will work. And we have also give the detailed explanation of this ACOS and function in our blog page. The same blog link is provided also in the description box. Please do read that. See you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.